Welcome to our detailed guide on how to turn on review posts you're tagged in on Facebook using the Android app. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture displayed on the screen. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on your profile page to reveal additional options. Select Review Posts and Tags from the Options menu to access the review feature. Beside Review Posts and Tags, tap on Settings to customize your review settings. Finally, toggle the switch to turn on the review posts you're tagged in, allowing you to have more control over the posts you're tagged in on Facebook. By following these steps, you can enable the review feature to manage and approve posts you're tagged in before they appear on your timeline, ensuring a more curated experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to turn on review posts you're tagged in on Facebook using the Android app. Customize your settings to review and control the posts you're tagged in, enhancing your social media experience by having more control over your tagged posts.